Okay, so I want to show you how you can make these fancy Hollywood blue screen or green screen effects. So what you first need is something which is either green or blue. So right now here, you see this one, we can actually use that blue background here. And I'll try later to make these eyes glow. Also what you could use, it's just an ordinary blue tape. And I'm going to show you later when we edit that, what that blue tape makes. Or let's just say we use something like this. Put a tape on there. And then we maybe make a fancy effect here. Or you could also make a tape on my arm. Let's just film that here, and then let's see what kind of blue screen effect we can have here. So basically what you need is either a blue or a green tape, and then we can make a fancy effect. Let's say I have a green notebook here, so we could also make a green blue screen effect here. And now the next part of the video will be where I upload that footage, and then I'll show you how to make these effects. So the first thing we want to do is the video editing part. So first what we want to do, we want to import some effects which I've downloaded from YouTube. You can get them there more or less free of charge. And then we need some video footage, and let's just start with something which has a blue screen. So I'll take this one, and I'm sorry, with iTunes, what you want to do, you want to use the effects, then we get actually the video footage in here. Let me just quickly turn that. It doesn't matter which direction. And now what you want to do, once you have your video footage here and then the effects down below, you just want to go in here, and instead of cutaway, you go in green blue screen. And that is basically all you have to do to create that effect. And that's not a good example here, as you can see. So we use something different. Let's just cut that video here. We don't want to have that footage. And then let's just take this one, which you saw at the beginning of the video as well. And it's basically the same trick here. What you want to do is, I just split the clip here because there is something white, and then you just again go here, green blue screen, and you see right away what that effect actually makes. And then let's just run it through, and so you see that works fine. We still have the alien head, and also what you see here, everything which we had as a tape. And let's just to show that to you again, make a cutaway. So you see here, it's just that ordinary tape, nothing special. And now let's hold it here, and then we go back and make the green blue screen, and immediately it recognizes the green blue screen. And what it actually does, it just replaces whatever is blue or green with the footage you have here. Then you maybe want to use like different effects. Let's just have this, I call it a tunnel effect. Use this one instead, and you see instantly it replaces whatever you want. What you also could do, you could of course do funny things. Let's just shorten that here again, and now take that out. And now we have a fun, you see my dog, I take the leash from my dog. And now let's see if that works as well. And now here's one thing I want to mention. So it either distinguishes between blue and green. So here I'm at a flower shop. It kind of realizes, oops, there is a lot of green, so it does not take the blue. So what we could actually do when we film that, let's just go to that part here. I guess that should be a better part. And now let's see what happens here. I just need to undo that effect real quick. And then hopefully that works. Yeah, and now you see it replaces that blue part of my dog's leash, and you have that effect here. It's a bit hard to see, but let's just do one thing. Let's just focus a little bit more on that, and then now you see we zoom into that effect, and that is basically all these guys do in Hollywood to have that blue and green screen effect. So everybody can do this. You don't have to be an expert to do that.